All right, everyone, just want to show we got a 2008 gl320 CDI diesel. Have the whole vehicle taken apart, trying to figure out an issue we had. Basically what was going on, you get in the car, key, nothing was working. If you put the key in and you spin it all the way to starting point, the vehicle would just show the mileage, and that's about it. It wasn't showing anything else. Check engine light, nothing was coming on. The vehicle wouldn't start, nothing was going on. It really seemed like it was a bad ignition module. But we found, there was a SAM module was wet. We replaced it. That didn't solve any issues. Started checking the CAN network and found that the interior CAN network, which is the red and brown with brown connection, was grounded on both sides, which is not correct. So we started taking everything apart, trying to find all the connections, the modules, to see if there's anything else wet causing a short. We actually found out this car is from the auction, and this was already basically taken apart here. So at some point someone reversed two of these cables. This one here fits with another of the plugs back here. They're similar, so if you take them apart they don't all fit, but those two actually can interchange. And I guess at some point someone interchanged those, put them in the wrong spot, and that's what was causing the CAN network to be grounded. I swapped them up and everything in the interior started working. Key work, starts, lock, everything is working again. So if anybody deals with that kind of situation, basically the vehicle is basically dead and whatnot, check your CAN networks. And if your CAN network, especially the interior, if it's grounded, then you definitely want to go around and check all your CAN network connections, unplug one by one, and test to see. Once you have 12 volts on one and 0 volts on the other, then that shows that whatever you unplugged, that's where the problem is going to be, around there. That trace, that module, cable, whichever it may be. So took me a while, a week or so, to get this figured out. Couldn't find anything online about it at all. Here's the connections for the CAN network, the distributor, one here, another one on the passenger side. There's another one by the rear SAM module in the trunk. So best bet is just check your CAN networks. If everything looks good, then that would be a module. But if you have issue with that, then that's the way of checking.